Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Kim Spleno, and today we're going to talk about and I'm going to show you some nutritional, easy to make breakfasts that are good for anti-inflammatories, lots of protein, and taste great. We're starting out, these are pancakes that have no flour in them, so we're going to be starting out with 3 eggs, but we're going to separate them. So the next thing we're going to do is take those 3 egg whites and we're going to whip them until they're soft peaks. You can see that they're fairly decent peaks on them. Now what I'm doing is I'm adding 1 scoop of whey powder. So this is adding about 30 grams of protein. I will continue to blend that in. So you can see there, I've got fairly decent, they're a soft peak. Now I'm going to beat the egg yolks. Now I'm going to fold the yolks into the whites. I've got my pan here. It's a large stainless steel pan with a tiny bit of olive oil that I've used a brush to brush in there. Now I'm going to make 2 pancakes from this. And we'll let it cook. I'm waiting for bubbles to form like a regular pancake. I do have it on a fairly low heat. I can easily slip the flipper underneath it. Whoa, they're a little dark. Okay, looking good. Okay, so we've got pancakes. And what are pancakes without syrup? So what I have here is, this is a little bit of leftover smoothie from yesterday. So it's got yogurt in it, it's got papaya, pineapple, bananas, chia seed. So I'm going to pour this over top like a syrup. Top it with a few pieces of fresh papaya. These are from my tree. A couple pieces of pineapple, not from my yard. Well, that's it for the flourless pancakes that are full of protein, taste amazing. If you like, please like, subscribe to my channel. I truly do appreciate it. Next video is going to be about fabulous smoothies that are full of protein, really good for us, anti-inflammatory. Hopefully, I'll see you there. Namaste.